Name first, right?
That'd be good.
Okay. Hi, my name is Connor Lalone. I've been with Cambridge for about 2 years. I've worked on S-Line in their electrical department, and then I moved over to M-Line, and now I'm their M-Series tester. So the first thing that attracted me to Cambridge was I heard my younger brother was working here, and he told me all kinds of stories about how him and his team were coming up with pretty creative ways to solve some of their issues that they were facing every single day. And what I thought about that was that they didn't have to go to the higher ups or engineering or anybody like that to solve some of their simple issues. And I thought that was really cool that they were able to be in control of how their day was going to go in their immediate workspace. And I wanted some of that for myself because I had worked in restaurants and childcare and all kinds of stuff that was a really chaotic environment. And I wanted some more stability and control, and I thought that was really neat. It's allowed me to grab hold of and keep and appreciate a positive attitude and a willingness to learn. I feel like I can take those two things anywhere and do anything with them. Even if I don't know or don't have the skills I need to do something that I want to do, that willingness to learn will keep me going and learn things that will get me to places that I need to be in order to achieve some sort of vision that I might have for myself or my family. So being around positive people keeps you motivated, keeps you excited for new things, and you can only go up from there. So it's definitely been an impact for me and, like I said, my family.
Yeah.
We have the events around here with the Easter egg hunt, the breakfast with Santa, things like that, and my family comes in and they're welcomed by my work family, and that's a really cool feeling. I've had a lot of opportunity to grow in my leadership responsibilities and strategies. I've learned a lot about myself, I've learned a lot about others and how to interact with people. I've learned how to communicate better along those lines. And I've also learned a lot about how to motivate people. I've always been able to kind of motivate myself, but sometimes you need to know how to motivate other people and get people on your team. So that was a really cool thing that I started learning recently. On top of that, I've learned a lot about safety, electronics and electrical skills, basic hands-on manufacturing activities, how to use power drills and all kinds of stuff like that that I can now. I'm a lot handier around the house now too, so that's helpful. Food.
Tell me about food.
When I interviewed at Cambridge the first time, I remember they asked me two questions. One was, how do I feel about cleaning the bathrooms? And I said that's fine. You know, I love being a part of something bigger than myself, and here you get the opportunity to take care of owning the facility by helping clean it alongside the CFO, CEO, anybody. They're all on teams, so that was really neat. And the other thing was, what's your average caloric intake right now? And they said, because it's only going to go up from there, because, oh man, we have a lot of fun with Taco Tuesdays and food trucks, and Cambridge really takes care of their employees, and we feel it in a bunch of different ways, one of which is food. So I actually wrote that down. So.